Hello and welcome to D-Class TV, where today we're going to bring you part 2 of Tom TGE's Porsche 912 interior restoration. Let us show you now how we got to this stage before he arrives.
Here we go then, here she is. It's actually quite emotional. I haven't seen this car in literally months.
So yeah, I'd like to show you through. So the interior is now all completely carpeted throughout. As discussed, we've gone with the square box with carpet right to the era when this car was made. We finished it off with some nice green leather vintage binding. We've even made some nice little housing areas that cover up some modern day electricals that are in the car. And one of the things that we discussed at the time was that we were going to use the distressed leather.
Yep.
Which we're really happy to show you with everything we've done in the rear. And not only did we just use a distressed leather, we've actually lasered into the leather an original houndstooth finish, like to what Porsche had normally do in cloth, but we've actually managed to make it look exactly so in this vintage leather.
That's really clever. It looks like fabric, but obviously that's going to be pretty much tear proof and a lot more durable as well.
So there we have it. Tom loves his Porsche 912 as much as we do, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. We look forward to the next episode where we show you the final progress of the car, having trimmed the seats, the dash and the front door cards. We look forward to welcoming Tom down for one more time to finally take delivery of his car and show you the journey of where it began, where it is now and where it will be at the end. See you next time. Please like and subscribe.